Hello. Welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial, which was a little bit of a bargain. I had a look at it when I first got it, but it's going to be all new with me because I haven't actually tried it on my lips, so it's a little bit of a hint. Before we get into the video, do the review testing tutorial, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff first, which is if you like the video or the product or the device, let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me what you want to see, tells me what you like. Other people like it, other people see it, and the video go around, so a smashing thumbs up. Come and subscribe to tazwells12 please by hitting the subscribe button on my main page, and you will be part of the YouTube channel, videos, journey, love family as we go along. Hit the bell notification too, because that'll tell you when I've uploaded a new video and you'll see it there and then. Click the share button if you want to share it with your friends and family, because they might have this product that they've bought it from the same place, or they might not be sure how to put it on, or application or anything I might give a little bit of advice for. So yeah, definitely share it with friends and family. Comment down below on the video. You can comment about anything you like, any feedback, suggestions, whatever you'd like to do, and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I will or do mention. This is just out of my own money. I thought, I looked at this product, thought yeah, I'll buy that, try it with you guys for the first time. It's just an advice video, but there's no sponsored in it. Check out my 2 accounts on Instagram, so you have tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that would be great. Now we'll get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is this Model's Own liquid lipstick, I think it is. I opened it because when I first bought them, I wanted to have a look, if that makes sense. This is Model's Own Lynx, L-I-X, matte liquid lipstick, smooths over with a hint of mint. There's 6.5 in here, that's what the packaging is. There's obviously the product in there. The Lynx liquid lipstick, get lippy with this smooth matte lip cream, so we can do a kiss test, with a fresh minty scent. This is all you need for a bit of lip service. Guide onto the clean lips. This is in the shade BERRYCOOL07, so because it's got a hint of mint, it might be a little bit tingly. Like I said, I have took it out of the packaging, but I actually haven't tried it. This is what the packaging looks like. Very nice with the square bottle, the frosted glass. Quite like this, very nice. Colour shade on there, you can see what the colour is. It's nice, very dark red. Very nice. I'm gonna clip my hair up and put a lip liner on. What we're going to do first though, because I haven't used this, is maybe we're going to test it on the back of my hand to see what lip liner it kind of matches with, because I have got a few different red ones. Just open it up, and absolutely not been used. It's very minty, by the way, very minty. So we'll just wipe a little bit off. It's very matte, what I can see so far. So I just put it a little bit like that. It's very dark. So that's what the colour it is. A few different red ones that might go with it at all. So we will pick them out. I've got a light red ones, but I don't think they go like really vibrant red. They're like more, as you say. So there's a lip twister, which is from W7, and that's a brown. You can try. Then we have got one from Primark, which is a PS lip liner pencil, and this is in the shade Spice. I think I've got a new Spice one there. I think this is more of a purpley, so I'm gonna put that one back. And then we've got an MUA Intense Colour lip liner, Blooming Plum. So we try the Blooming Plum one. That's too light, so it's definitely not that one. I'm going to do a Spice one. Spice It's not bad, but it's like a brown. So that's a spice, that's the other one. And then we got this brownie one, which is a bit too light. So I think we're gonna go for the PS Primark one in Spice. So I'm gonna clip my hair up, do a lip line, and then we can get into the product. For some reason, when I do a time lapse, the ring light goes really, really bright. So I don't know why that is, but you'll see the application anyway. What I've done, I've filled in a little bit of here and done quite a thick line down the bottom. So it's more of a brownie colour, like a brownie red, but it should give us that sort of guideline. I'm gonna try this. It's pretty dried matte on my finger, but we'll see what it does on this. Quite matte in the applicator, so it just comes like this. Like I said, you can smell the mint. Mixing very well with the lip liner, so that's a good start. It's looking okay. I might have to go over again with a bit more. And because it's got that mint in it, it is doing a little bit of tingling, so I thought that might be the case. Because it's matte, we'll put a little bit more on. Just to give that nice, intense colour. Right. As you can see so far, I can't really move my lips, so that means it's matting down. I'm gonna just leave this for a couple of minutes. I can feel a little bit of tingling. I'm gonna go over it with my fan and we can see how matte it is gone, and then we can do the kiss test. Right, so it's all dried very, very nicely, as you can see. Still feels a little bit tacky, but it's very nice. So this is what the lip colour looks like. So it's good. I kind of overdrew on the top to make it sort of a bit even and give me a rounded, like pouted look. So it's quite evening. The colour's really nice. Really like the hint of mint. And I also like the fact it is like tingling a little bit. But I think that's maybe because of where it's getting hard. Because it's like sort of settled down now, what we do is on the back of my hand is do the kiss test. Wow, not too bad, not too bad. Like the tiniest little bit. This should have matted down as well. Yeah, a little bit of rub off, but not as much as I thought it was going to be. Actually, I thought it was going to be a lot more than that. Actually quite impressed with it, so I'm going to take my hair down and we can give it a review. So my hair is down, all in glory. Looks a lot more nicer now. Feels a lot more better. Like I said, this is the lipstick, which is very, very nice. My verdict on the Linked Matte Liquid Lipstick in BERRYCOOL07 is a thumbs up. Because it's not my teeth, that's a good sign. It's dried pretty much matte down. It worked really easy, worked really well with the lip line. I'm really happy with this. A massive thumbs up from me. For just £1, that is really good. I might even crack this open a little bit. I think the darker reds suit me more than the lighter red, but this is very nice. This was a very nice application for its money. I'm glad I picked it up for £1. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the Model's Own Link Matte Liquid Lipstick in BERRYCOOL07. My verdict was a massive thumbs up. I liked it. Like there was loads of different things with it. This is what it looks like. I love it. If you like the video, the application, how I applied it, the video in general, let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. Tells me what you want to see, tells me what you like it, other people like it, other people see it, and the video go around. So definitely give it a massive thumbs up. And subscribe to tazwells12. Hit the subscribe button on my main page. The bell notification if you want to be notified of the newest video that's been uploaded. The button for share to share with your friends and family. Comment down below on any suggestions, feedback, or anything you'd like to do. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I did mention in this video. It's just an advice video for you guys. What I picked up for a bargain of a price, and it's worked out well. It's just a good advice video and not sponsored at all. Check out my 2 accounts on social media. So you have tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. As always, it means the world to me. I hope you have a lovely day or lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.